Hey! Hey, Kiwi! Hey! Hey, Kiwi! Hey! Hey! Hey, Kiwi! Kiwi!
What? What is it, mate? I'm trying to read the paper.
What happened to your voice, mate?
Dude, I'm a Kiwi. I'm from freaking New Zealand.
Oh, well that explains the accent. And the boomerangs.
I told you, we're bananas.
Accent? I don't have a hiccup accent.
What's a hippo accent?
It's hiccup, not a hippo. It's a hiccup.
Whoa, sounds like a hungry hippo.
It's hiccup. It's not funny.
What's the matter, Kiwi? You look all choked up.
Stupid. Hiccup. Oh man, I don't hiccup. It feels so good. Hiccup.
Are you okay?
Hiccup. 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 Hiccup.
What the heck's going on?
Oh no, everybody watch out! He's gonna blow!
What the heck was that?
Seriously, I heard that in the other. Oh my god!
That was Kiwi. He had the hippos.
Hiccups! He had the hiccups, you idiot!
What? Oh man, that's scary.
What are you talking about?
You've never heard about what happens when a fruit gets the hiccups?
No?
First, they hiccup. Then they
explode!
That's the most ridiculous thing I've ever hiccup. Uh-oh.
911, what's your emergency?
Yeah, we got an orange with a case of the hiccups here.
Please say again?
I said we have an orange with the hiccups.
Oh no, you're screwed!
Alright, I'm out of ideas.
Oh.
Look, everybody, the important thing right now is to just remain calm. No. Everybody just shut up. We're not going to freak out.
That's easy for you to say. You don't have an exploding hippo in your tummy.
Dude, it's not a hippo.
It's an exploding hippo.
Listen to me, Orange. Do you want to get rid of your hiccups?
Duh.
You have to do exactly what I tell you. Okay?
Okay.
It's really simple. All you have to do is take a deep breath and hold it for 30 seconds.
Okay.
No, that never works. I always heard you had to stand on your head and cross your eyes.
Maybe hum.
What?
Yeah, I heard all he's got to do is hum the Star Spangled Banner. It works every time.
Oh my god!
That would never work. Wake up, Orange.
And that's why
Position and pose starts by
my things were good. Everybody ready?